my channel. It's your girl Nick Take 2, back with another video. Oh, yeah. That was a horrible intro, but like, yeah, I have a package. Got it from Amazon. It's the 18-inch one or something like that. Bruh, I'm not even in front of it. Okay, that's off, right? Let's show you. That's on, the lowest. Up, 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 up. There, all the way up. Okay. Turn it off. Now, I'm gonna put meat in front of it. You feel me? Okay, you ready? I feel, oh my gosh, it's blinding. Okay. That's amazing, bruh. Like, that's cute. Okay, I put my phone on the thing, on the, yeah. And just like, girl, you popping. This is nice. I don't like that color. I like that color. I don't know why. But yeah, that is me unboxing my ring light. That is me putting it together, which it was simpler than what I was thinking or doing with it. Yeah. This is my new ring light and I can't wait to use it. I'm gonna be doing a whole bunch of YouTube videos now. You know. Oh, I'm going to be using my camera too. I haven't been using it because the settings, I need to fix the settings because stuff still be looking grainy and it's not cool. But yeah, look at this light though. Yes, hunty. Yes, let me turn it down. Down, down, baby. That's all the way down. Oh yeah. Oh, oh. Let me stop playing with it before the light bulbs go out and yeah. Oh, thanks for watching my video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Share, support, you know. Oh, yeah.